Welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you Tapo C425 versus Tapo C420. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content and watch the video till the end. Here you will see, this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about resolution. The 25 provided 2K 2560 into 1440 resolution and 20 provided 1080p 9020 into 1080 resolution. So 25 is better. Now let's look at the field of view. 25 provided 145-degree field of view and 20 provided 140-degree. So 25 is better. Now let's look at the pan and tilt. 25 provided motorized pan and tilt and 20 provided fixed lens. So 25 is better. Now let's look at the night vision. Up to 30 feet 10 meter night vision is available on all two devices. Now let's look at the audio. Two-way audio is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the motion detection. Motion detection with notifications is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the cloud storage. Support Tapo Cloud PAD service on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the local storage. Micro SD card slot up to 256 GB is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the compatibility. Work with Google Assistant and Alexa in all two devices, so both are equal. And in the last, let's look at the price. The price of 25 is slightly more expensive and the price of 20 is more affordable, so 20 is better. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.